So here we go. You're gonna fold the basic folds, which you've done many times before. So you do it that way, and you do it again on the other side, right? I pre-folded the rest just to save time. So you fold it this way, and then you do it that way, the other way. So that's it. That's what you're gonna do to all 16 pieces. Now I chose 6 and then 6 different color. You can do 12 pieces of the same color. Doesn't matter. One's gonna be hidden away. So it could be all same color. If there's an ugly color that you don't like, that can be the inside one to make this structure. So I chose to make green outside to show so that the structure will look that color and not this color, red. And so one that's gonna be outside like these is gonna be folded from the corner in, like that. So the corner goes in, and then the same thing, the corner goes in. So it looks like a square, right? It's folded and it's a square. The one that I want inside, I'm gonna fold exactly the same, right? This way, half, and then the other way, which is also the same, and then diagonally. So as I said many times before, the most important thing is these first folds, because you have to be as exact and as symmetrical as you possibly can, because it pays dividends. Okay. So this is going to be inside, so then I'm going to fold it in sideways. So that goes in, and then the side goes in. So it actually ends up looking like a triangle. This one looks like a square. That's the outside one. Now I'm going to juxtapose these. So this square top is going to get on top of the triangle one. And it doesn't matter. It doesn't have to be neat. But anyway, it's sort of you put it in, and that's what it's going to do, right? And just follow the natural fold that's already been folded. I'm just going to do this. So now it looks like that, right? The red is inside, the green is outside. Now the outside that's sticking out, these have to be folded in. So I'm going to fold it in. Now when you're folding in, try to make it so there's a little space on the top and the bottom, because otherwise it would be too tight for you to slide these ends into, right? So I am going to go around and fold all these parts in that's sticking out, which is on top. This green color, that's the top one. So I fold it all in, right? And then I'm gonna let them sort of go back into that shape that was before. So you can see that they're folded in. Now I'm gonna nicely try to get it stabilized. So that's it. So now I have 6 of these. This is sort of the fun part and can be the challenging part. Basically what you're gonna be doing is you're gonna slide, right? So you're gonna slide one in and just put them so that the red and red go in. Let's try again. Anyway, so if it's tight one side, then I will sometimes switch to make it a little bit easier. Okay guys, can you cooperate? Okay, there we go. So now it's just sliding in, right? So I made them a little too tight. So now see, do you see how it hit? I'm gonna show you again. Comes out, come out, come on out, there. And then it folds in, right? And you're gonna basically get all these and just put them in so there are no more left. So now that's gonna go in. Now this might take a little too much time for me to show you. So I might actually make 2 videos. Anyway, so that's what you do. And then I will get the final version and then put it in. So I'm now thinking, I wonder if I need to make more pieces. Did I get it wrong? Anyway, so yeah, that's basically it. So I keep just adding more things. No, I think I was right. It's 6 pieces all together. Yeah, that's what it is. So that's all I do. And then, you know, it becomes a little bit more difficult to get it all put in, but nothing you cannot do. So that goes in. So one side is done, triangle, right? And then you just keep doing it. Now, I think I'm going to turn the video off so that I don't take too much time doing this. But, oh, well, obviously I did that one wrong. It has to come up. So when it's done, each side is going to be triangle, right? So that side is missing. That's the one that needs to go. So basically, each side you turn, it's gonna look like triangle, the outside. And then when it's all done, it's done. So as you can see, there's less room to wiggle. So it gets more difficult as you go to the last part. Anyway, I'm gonna turn it off and then I'm gonna finish and take a picture of the final product.